Can the Radiomaster Pocket outshine full-size FPV radios? Watch as we dive into this ultra-portable, feature-packed controller that's shaking up the drone world. Introducing the Radiomaster Pocket Whole Gimbal Transmitter, a revolutionary remote control designed for RC pilots who demand both high performance and extreme portability. This lightweight and feature-packed radio is engineered to provide precise control and a seamless flying experience, all in a compact form factor that fits perfectly in your hand or bag. Available in versatile ExpressLRS and MPM-CC 2500 versions, and pre-installed with the powerful EdgeTX Firmware, the Pocket Radio is ready to redefine your RC adventures. Compact powerhouse for endless fun. Weighing in at just 288 grams and boasting a highly portable design with removable stick ends and a foldable antenna, the Radiomaster Pocket is the epitome of convenience. Its folded dimensions are a mere 156 by 665 by 1125.3 mm, expanding to 156 by 67 by 1154.8 mm when unfolded, making it incredibly easy to transport to your flying spot. Don't let its size fool you, though. Powered by two 18,650 batteries, it provides all the energy you need for hours of uninterrupted fun, with convenient built-in USB-C QC3 charging. Precision control with Hall-effect gimbals. At the heart of the Radiomaster Pocket's exceptional control are its Hall-effect gimbals, included as standard. These gimbals are renowned for their smooth centering, incredible precision, and long-term durability, ensuring that every command you give is translated accurately to your aircraft. This level of responsiveness is crucial for both casual flying and demanding acrobatic maneuvers. Smart design and user-friendly features. The Pocket Radio is thoughtfully designed with the pilot in mind. It features built-in LED lights that provide clear visual feedback for your switch inputs, enhancing awareness during flight. The backlit 128 by 64 monochrome LCD screen offers a perfect balance of size and functionality, providing essential telemetry and menu access without being cumbersome. Trim buttons are conveniently located for easy, on-the-fly channel adjustments, allowing you to fine-tune your control effortlessly. Versatile RF options and expandability. The Radiomaster Pocket caters to a wide range of protocols. You can choose between the ExpressLRS version for cutting-edge long-range, low-latency performance or the MPM-CC 2500 multi-protocol version for compatibility with numerous existing receivers. Furthermore, its nano-size external module bay is compatible with Radiomaster nano-size modules and popular third-party modules like TBS Nano Crossfire and Nano Tracer, offering immense versatility and future-proofing your investment. The EdgeTX operating system comes pre-installed, providing a highly customizable and powerful interface, with upgradable firmware via USB or the included SD card. Stylish and personalized. The Pocket Radio isn't just about performance, it's also about style. It's available in two sleek core colors, charcoal and a transparent version. To further personalize your transmitter, you can choose optional case colors in blue, pink, green, and orange, allowing you to match your gear to your unique style. The Radiomaster Pocket Radio is an outstanding choice for any RC enthusiast looking for a high-quality, portable, and versatile transmitter that doesn't compromise on performance or features.